So today we are unboxing the Insta360 Link 2C. I needed a new webcam because the old one kind of started to blur out. So yeah. Okay, ripping it for the first time. Come on, give me my camera. Damn it. There we go. Ah. Whoops. Still got bits of plastic. Sorry. Alright, let's see what's in the box that's written outside. Blah blah blah, yada yada yada. There we go. Come on, slide out. Slide out. Come on. Ah. There we go. Okay. Alright, let's check the mount out first. Ooh. Lots of stickers. I see. Ah, 1/4" thread. Means... Oh god, it's solid. Ah! Oh, so this is the desk view mount mode. Cling cling. Yep, full solid steel. Okay, let's rip this clean. Get out of here. Come on. Ah. Damn it. And the next one, the magnetic part. Yes. Okay. Oh, it is solid though. Okay, next. Ew. Paperwork. Okay, the whiteboard stickers, which I don't think I'll be using. Oops. Warranty card. Manual, quick start guide, read. Okay, done. And nothing else in here. Off you go. So the USB, ooh, yeet. So the USB-C to USB-A adapter. Okay. So the USB-C to C. It's kind of thick though. I mean, it literally is difficult to unravel this. I mean, it looks like a slinky, doesn't it? Alright, Type C to Type C, nothing new there. So let's try and put this on. Oh, that's like... Okay, now for the key item, the camera itself. Small, isn't it? And it's hefty. Superior audio awaits. But too bad I'm not using the mic. Now, how do I rip this bugger up? Nope. Try again. Okay, there we go. Oh well, no perfect rip. Let's go. Ah. And there you go. The seal is broken. Ooh. 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 Okay. Oh, the magnet is strong, so it's good. So this is how we pivot, I guess. But I don't think I will be pivoting much lah. Nah. No TikTok. Well, it is stuck there real good. I mean, yeah. So that's the less view mode if I ever want to use it. Yeah. I guess that's about it. Quick unboxing of my new webcam, the Insta360 Link 2C. There you go. Bye.